We are told the universe is understood. Mapped, measured, explained. But that confidence hides something deeper. Not lies in the sense of secret conspiracies, but myths created by simplification, repetition, and comfort. Tonight, we're not here to reject science. We're here to question the stories we repeat about the cosmos. Myth 1. We understand supernovae. A supernova is often described as a giant explosion, a star blowing itself apart like a bomb. That image is wrong. What really happens is a collapse. The core of a massive star implodes under its own gravity in a fraction of a second. The explosion we see is not the cause, it's the aftermath. Even now, scientists struggle to fully explain how collapsing matter reverses into an outward blast. The truth is uncomfortable. Some supernova simulations don't explode at all. Not because scientists are incompetent, but because nature is more complex than our models. Myth 2. All supernovae are the same. From Earth, they look similar. Bright flashes in distant galaxies. But the mechanisms behind them are completely different. Some come from dying giants. Others from quiet white dwarfs stealing mass until they collapse. Lumping them together creates the illusion of certainty, when in reality, each type challenges physics in its own way. Myth 3. Supernovae are distant and irrelevant. This may be the most comforting myth of all, because the truth is unsettling. Every heavy element in your body, iron in your blood, calcium in your bones, was forged in stellar death. You are not separate from cosmic violence. You are built from it. Supernovae are not background events. They are ancestors. Myth 4. Astronomers can see everything. We see light, but the most important parts of a supernova release almost no light at all. Neutrinos pass through entire planets without stopping. Gravitational waves stretch space itself. What we observe is a shadow of the real event. Much of the universe happens without witnesses. Myth 5. Uncertainty means deception. This myth fuels distrust. When science updates a model, some call it proof of lies. But changing ideas in the face of evidence is not weakness. It's the opposite. The real myth is the belief that certainty is possible in a universe this vast. So what's the real truth? The universe is not hiding secrets from us. It simply doesn't owe us easy answers. Supernovae remind us of something modern culture dislikes. That knowledge is incomplete. That mystery still exists. That understanding is always provisional. And maybe that's not frightening. Maybe it's honest. If you want more stories that question what we think we know, about the mind, the universe, and the hidden patterns behind both, subscribe. Because the most dangerous myths are not the ones that challenge science, but the ones that pretend everything is already explained.